Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Meta Ads Manager for e-commerce ad scaling detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in using your Facebook account credentials. If you do not have a Facebook account, create one to access the Meta platform. Once logged in, navigate to the Ads Manager dashboard. Look for the Create button, typically located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Campaign from the drop-down menu that appears. Choose your campaign objective based on your e-commerce goals. Common objectives include brand awareness, traffic, and conversions. Set your campaign name to something descriptive for easy identification later. Move on to the Ad Set section to define your target audience. Specify demographics, interests, and behaviors suitable for your e-commerce products. Next, choose your ad placements. You can opt for automatic placements or manually select where your ads will appear. Set your budget and schedule for the campaign. Decide between a daily budget or a lifetime budget based on your needs. In the Ads section, choose your ad format. You can select from options like single image, carousel, or video ads. Upload creative assets that showcase your products effectively. Write compelling ad copy that highlights key features or promotions. Ensure that your call to action is clear and encourages user engagement. Review your campaign settings for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor the performance through the Ads Manager dashboard. Make necessary adjustments based on the data you collect over time. Utilize A/B testing to refine your ad strategies. Regularly analyze metrics such as engagement, clicks, and conversions. Scale your successful ads by increasing budgets or expanding audiences. Stay updated with Meta's guidelines and features for optimal ad performance. This approach ensures effective scaling for your e-commerce ads using Meta Ads Manager. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.